Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Jira from Slack on desktop app. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. It's super quick, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your Slack workspace on the desktop. You can do this on your browser or through the Slack desktop app. Now, let's go ahead and remove Jira from Slack. First, click on your profile and the drop down menu will appear. Click on Preferences. This will open the settings menu. From the menu, click on Connected Accounts and then click on App Management page. After that, the browser will open showing your connected accounts. Then click on Installed Apps on the left side. Now, from the list of installed apps, find Jira. You can also search for it in the search bar. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm when asked to fully remove Jira, and that's it. Jira will be removed from Slack. You won't see it popping up in your channels or messages anymore. I hope this video helped you out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.